This is a brand new 2014 Buick LaCrosse. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, the IntelliLink infotainment system, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a rear window defroster, a security system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Greiner Buick GMC Cadillac is located at 6301 East 2nd Street in Casper. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.